Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making an old-fashioned white sauce, also known as a bechamel sauce. This was used as the basis for many old recipes. I use this for my mac and cheese recipe, creamed tuna on toast recipe, creamed cabbage on toast recipe, and used on many other recipes. I will put a link below to the videos. I thought I would make a separate video to show you how to make the sauce. To make the white sauce, I have a small saucepan here and I'm going to put the heat on to low. And the first thing you have to do is you have to add the butter. And now we have to melt the butter on low, which will take a few minutes. The butter is almost melted and you want to melt it slowly because you don't want the butter to burn. Now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of flour. And with a whisk, you want to give this a good stirring. And you want to keep stirring this because you don't want to have any lumps in the butter and the flour. Now this is mixed really well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to slowly add my 2 cups of milk. And you have to keep stirring. And as you keep giving it a good stir, it will stay smooth because you don't want to have any lumps in your sauce. Now we have to slowly stir this for maybe about 10 minutes till it thickens. I use cold milk, so that's why it's going to take a while to get this to, you want to get it to come to like a simmer. If your milk is room temperature, it'll be a lot faster, this process. You have to stir this sauce until it comes to a boil or a simmer, and also it will thicken. You have to stir it till you could feel that the sauce is thickening. I've been stirring the sauce for 15 minutes now, and you could see how it's starting to thicken up nice. And you want to keep stirring it constantly because you want a smooth sauce and you don't want it to burn. So now it looks really good, nice and thick. So now what I'm going to do, since it thickened up, I'm going to add my 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, ground pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper. And if you want to add salt to this, you can, but I don't use salt when I cook. I just use the pepper. And now that's how easy it is to make a nice white sauce. Now you could see this is such an easy white sauce to make. Very simple and ready to be used for any recipe that calls for a white sauce.